Welcome student. Today I am going to start the exercise 12.1 that is based on the Heron's formula. Question number 1, it is given that a traffic signal board including indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 cm, what will be the area of the signal board? So here it is the equilateral triangle and it is given that the side is A, and you need to find the area of that signal board using Heron's formula. So I had given one formula, that is for the equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 A square, but here you need to find that formula including the Heron's formula. So here equilateral triangle is there, so its sides will be A and A. So here S equal to whatever the Heron's formula I had given, S equal to sum of all the three sides divided by 2. So A plus A by 2, that is equal to 3A by 2. So in the Heron's formula S is used. Now after that, area of equilateral triangle. Here first you will write the formula, area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. Area of the triangle equal to, that will be the Heron's formula under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where A, B, C are the sides and S is the half of the perimeter. Now area of the signal board, So signal board is in the form of equilateral triangle, so all the three sides are A. So here S equal to 3A by 2, so 3A by 2. Now in the bracket S minus A, so 3A by 2 minus A. Again in the second bracket S minus B, so 3A by 2 minus, and second side is also A, that is the equilateral triangle. So A, B, C, all the three sides are A and A. Again S minus C, so 3A by 2 minus A. Now it is equal to under root 3A by 2. Now student, 3A by 2 minus A, if you are going to find 3A by 2 minus A can be written as A upon 1. So LCM will be 2. So it will be 3A minus 1 to the 2A, that is 3A minus 2A, A upon 2. It means 3A by 2 minus A equal to A by 2. So here it is into A by 2 into A by 2 into A by 2. Here it is 3A by 2 minus A by 2, 3A by 2 minus A by 2. Now it can be written as root, it can be written as 3 can be written as 3 into A by 2. 3A by 2 can be written as 3 into A by 2 into A by 2 into A by 2 into A by 2. Now it is equal to, here you can find A by 2 and A by 2. These are in the pair and that is in the square root. So out of the pair you will take 1 value. So it will be A by 2 from here into A by 2. Now in the root, what is the remaining here which is not pair? That is 3. Now it is equal to A by 2 into A by 2, A into A square by 4 into root 3. It can be written as root 3 by 4 A square. So that is the formula also, area of the equilateral triangle equal to root 3 by 4 A square, and that I had find by the Heron's formula also, area of this triangle will be root 3 by 4 A square. Now it is the first part of the question. In the second part it is asked that find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula, so that is the root 3 by 4 A square. If its perimeter is 180 cm, what will be the area of the signal board? Now in the second case it is given that if perimeter is 180 cm, so if perimeter is given, perimeter means sum of the three sides and it is the equilateral triangle, so it's all the three sides will be A and A. So now according to question, A plus A, that is equal to 180. Here 3A equal to 180. It can be written as A equal to 180 by 3, that is 60 cm. So the side of that equilateral triangle whose perimeter is 180 cm is 60 cm. Now if you are going to find the formula area of that triangle, it is the equilateral triangle, so you can directly apply the formula root 3 by 4 a square. So area of triangle equal to, it is the equilateral triangle, so you can write area of the equilateral triangle. Area of the equilateral triangle equal to, the formula is root 3 by 4 a square. It is written as root 3 by 4 into, and now side you got that for this equilateral triangle side is 60 centimeter, so into 60 square. So it can be written as root 3 by 4 into 60 into 60. It will be 15 4 ja 60, and 15 into 60, that will be 900 root 3 centimeter square. So that will be the area of that equilateral triangle. So it is the complete solution of the question number 1.